Hello viewers, I welcome you back to this video from BrainTech. So in this video, I'll carefully show you how to add reset the uLesson tablet that you have forgotten the password. So carefully follow the steps that I'm about to show to you. You can see that on your screen that I've forgotten the password of this tablet. So I'll show you the 3 keys you have to use in resetting or unlocking this uLesson tablet. But before we kickstart, you are to power off this device. Press the power key to bring out this option. Then power it off by pressing OK. Give it few seconds for the device to completely turn off. Then when it's done, I will show you the next thing you have to do. So the device have completely turned off, all thanks to the vibration on the device. So what you have to do is to press the volume up key, the volume down key, and the power key together for a few seconds. Volume down key, volume up key, and the power key together for a few seconds. You have to release the 3 keys at once when you see the uLesson logo on your screen. Wait for the recovery menu to come up. Here is the recovery menu. So when you are at the recovery menu like this, what you have to do is you have to use your volume down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset in order to kickstart the resetting process. Press the power key once to take you to factory data reset. Use your volume down key again to take you to factory data reset. Press the power key again to kickstart the resetting process because the power key serves as your select button. So press the power key to kickstart the resetting process. So on your screen, you can see that data wipe has been completed. So after you might have seen success, sorry to say, after you might have seen success on your screen, data wipe completed, use your volume down key to navigate to reboot system now. So on reboot system now, you are to press the select button. Since it serves as your select button, which is the power key, press it by rebooting the device. Give it some few seconds for the device to reboot. Don't forget the keys I showed you earlier to add reset, factory reset, unlock this uLesson tablet. I mean to say, you have to press the volume down key, the volume up key, and the power key together. You have to press the 3 keys together in order to reset this device. Give it few seconds after you might have done the resetting to reboot by using the reboot button to reboot the device in order to complete the resetting process. So here is it after we might have resetted the device, reboot it. So here is the steps to follow. Click on start. So it is telling us to set up offline. Click on set up offline. So on your screen, click continue. Click next. Click more. Click accept. On your screen, click skip. Click skip anywhere. You see that your device has been unlocked successfully. Congratulations for a successful unlock. Subscribe to this channel, BrainTech. Like this video, click the share button. Subscribe if you are yet to comment with any question. Don't forget to join the membership of this channel. Also, send support through super, and as well as the membership of this Brain Tech channel. See you in our next video as you click the share button. Bye for now.